In this video, I'm going to show you to place the blower motor on this Honda Pilot. Located underneath your glove box, let's get started. From underneath the glove box, you'll see this kick panel. You want to grab onto it and pull straight down. There we go. This will pop off, pull forward, and then remove the panel. Now we can see our blower motor right here. This is the plug for it, so press on the locking tab and pull down to disconnect it. There's a wire that's in our way here, so I'm going to take a trim tool and just pop this out. All right, now this can move to the side or below, wherever is out of our way. Now you want to use an 8mm socket and remove the 3 fasteners holding this blower motor on. I'm going to start with the one all the way in the rear because it's the most difficult one to reach, and I do not want to leave that for last. There's one, and then there's 2 further in the front. All right, there it is. It just fell out. That's perfect. Move that wiring harness aside so we can pull the blower motor right out. And there's the blower motor. If there was a lot of debris in here, clean it up. Pretty much all of my debris fell down with the blower motor. Now take the new blower motor, line it up, making sure that this vent goes in the back here and lines up. And of course, make sure to go over that wiring harness so it doesn't get pinched in the back. All right, once you have it up here, reach any fastener that you can to start it on. That way, it'll at least stay in place while you secure it the rest of the way. Looks like I was able to start these 2 front ones, which is perfect. I'm going to tighten them up a little bit. When you tighten these, you want to go until it bottoms out and stops, and then give it a tiny bit extra, at most 1/8 of a turn. This is threading into plastic, and stripping these out means, well, you pretty much need a new heater box because that is where this attaches. So that just bottomed out, tiny bit extra, and that is it. And lastly, the one in the back. All right, that's tightened up. So let's re-secure this harness. It's got 2 little pins that it attaches to, here and here. And then of course, plug in the blower motor. At this point, you'd want to test it out, make sure that it works as it should on all speeds. When you put this panel back, make sure that these 2 pins line up all the way in the back. Push this in, and then push it up and lock it in. And that job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.